What's up, YouTube? Yesterday I got the Spider-Man No Way Home on Blu-ray and DVD. Yesterday, cause I got this from Walmart, and I never opened this up before because I just gonna open up now for this. See right here, because they got the Spider-Man right here, and they got Doctor Strange. Look at this. On the back right here, they just came with a digital movie included, like movies everywhere. It might came with it too. Now you got them on right there. They called like they got Dr. Octavius in there. Well, because also you got this right here on the back of the movie right there. It says right here. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. Okay, we got that plastic thing all unwrapped already. Let me see what's inside. Okay, right there is the Blu-ray movie right here on the right, and this right here that's the code right there. They got right there. They got Apple TV, Prime Video, Vudu, Google Play, and YouTube, Microsoft Movies and TV, Verizon Wires, and Direct TV. Here's the code on top right here. Let me take this off. And here's the DVD on the left. Okay. I like Marvel movies in a way because I just seen the movies I like for this. Okay. On the back, right on the back. The same as on there. Okay. That's the movie right here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is Brain Bang signing off. Goodbye.